You can protect your privacy online with this little gadget. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I'm sure that there are many of us out there concerned with our webcams and privacy. Many put post-it papers to cover the camera, tape, and even band-aids. We become paranoid with hackers being able to access it and see our private lives, or even our kids accidentally pressing the wrong buttons. Well, these covers do a pretty good job on protecting that. They can be used on laptops and many smartphones. These covers are from Amazon. They come in 3 pieces and 5 pieces and are priced from $9 to $13. I have the link in the description below, so let's take a look at the covers. I have the 5-piece set here. I've already installed one on a laptop and we will go over that shortly. They provide you with some cleaning wipes and this little plastic container to hold them. The camera covers are very thin. It only comes in at 0.035 of an inch. It has 3M tape on the back, which you just peel off. Installation is very simple. You just line it up with the hole of the camera and press gently for a few seconds. You can see here how thin the cover is. So let's see how it looks installed on a laptop. So I have it installed on this MacBook Air. You can see that it just slides with ease. There's no resistance at all. It works pretty good. You see here the top view and how slim the cover is. Here's the side view, and then closing the lid. There are no issues with closing the lid. It's as if there's no cover on there. It doesn't impact the close at all. So again, here's the side view of it. And then a front view. And with the lid closed. Webcam covers. If you are worried about your privacy online, these covers can help. It has a small, slim form factor and installation is simple. The tape does not leave any residue behind and it's easy to remove. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.